The one thing that we've learned first and foremost is to make sure that you're adequately insured. We found out that we were grossly underinsured, and we thought, gee, how could we have allowed this to happen? And then we came to find out that most of our neighbors were in the same boat. It was not an uncommon situation. That you can't rely upon your insurance company to make sure that your levels of insurance are being adequately added, or elevated as time goes on. You really have to do it yourself. And so I would say, speak to a contractor. Ask, how much does it cost per square foot to build a house in this neighborhood? You have those numbers. If it's just your house that burns, it's one thing, but when it's just like a firestorm where it affects so many people, that affects the cost of rebuild as well. So you want to factor that in. Just don't think in terms of what will it cost me to rebuild my house if I have like a kitchen fire and I lose my house. You want to ask yourself, what's it going to cost to rebuild my house if a fire such as this one occurs again and half of my neighborhood is gone? I just stress that first and foremost. Make sure you're adequately insured. Do that research yourself, because they say the best surprise is no surprise.